Selecting the right equipment. You know, there comes a time when you have to make a decision on what piece of equipment you use on a job. You know, a good example would be that here you got a carpet cleaning job, and you can either use a self-contained unit that you would either just push or pull to clean. You know, it's got the beater bar on the bottom, the vacuum, and so on and so forth. You know, that type of self-contained unit. And or you might just use an extractor with a wand and hose to just clean your carpets that way. You know, and you're going to, well, which one's actually better? And I think that's what you have to think about, is that you have to think about the area that you're actually cleaning. You know, will that self-contained extractor be able to, you know, get around the desk and behind the desk and so on and so forth? Well, in some cases, no, because it's just too big and bulky. To where if you had the hose and wand, that you'd easily be able to get in there with your wand and get everything cleaned. So you have to think about that when you're selecting the piece of equipment for the job. You know, the other thing is very true too, is that if we're doing, let's say we got a big long hallway that we're just vacuuming. Well, sure, we could use a backpack, we could use an upright or a canister vac, you know, whatever. We could use any type of vacuum cleaner, but is it really the most efficient method to use, or piece of equipment to use? Well, probably not. If I had a big long hallway, I'd probably use a battery-powered sweeper. You know, we had a 28-inch that was battery-powered, and you know, it was just like you were mowing the grass. You just walked down the hallways and made two or three passes, and you were done. So you got to keep that in mind. So, you know, make sure that you're selecting the right piece of equipment for the job, because it will save you a lot of time and money. And after all, that's what it's all about, is about profits. So, but anyway, you know, typically that's all you have to do is just think about the job and how you have to deal with it, as far as what you have to get into, the surfaces that you're cleaning. And you know, I guess also the big thing for any cleaning company is, well, do you have that piece of equipment, or could you even rent it? And in many cases now, you know, you got many rental outlets that do rent, you know, auto scrubbers and other pieces of equipment, you know, bigger pieces of equipment. So there's really no need for you to actually purchase one outright. You can just go and rent it. So that's one of your alternatives. But anyway, always keep it in mind, you know, as far as you know, how to select what piece of equipment to use for the job. It really just comes down to efficiencies, and that's it. Because like I said, you know, it's all about profits. So, well, hopefully you like this. You know, if you did, go ahead and click on the like and share button. And if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking on the subscribe button. And you're going to find hundreds of videos on how to build a successful cleaning business. So until next time, we'll see you.